What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video, and we have to go over sheep. So yes, sheep army, we have a rebound coming here with Shiba Inu that we can see right here, but obviously we could just go straight back down because everything that's been going, all the craziness has been going on inside of the market. As we know, everything is down. As we can see here, so many different things. Shiba went all the way down here to 31 in the ranking here. So what is next here for sheep army? So honestly, we just need to hold. Look at this, we went all the way down here to 6.5. that is really low, and then we jumped all the way back, and now we're at 11. I'm just saying 11.6 and whatever it's at, because I'm not going to say these zeros, too many zeros to say. But yeah, as we can see, we are doing huge numbers here with Shiba Inu right now. So Shiba Inu is just dropping huge and jumping huge, just like everything else. As we've seen, Bitcoin actually went all the way down to 30k, now it's at 38k. So honestly, what I'm doing here with Shiba Inu is I'm just gonna hold it and continue to hold. There's really nothing else to do, because as we all know, let's go over here and look at this. You only lose money when you sell. You lose money only when you sell. So that is what everyone needs to remember. You only lose that money when you sell. So you will not lose money if you do not sell, and if you continue to buy the dip. I'm still buying the dip. I just had to, continue to buy the dip just like everyone else here. This is the dip, and this is buying what you think is the dip. So yeah, it could actually dip lower than this. So it really could. As you can see though, it is starting to jump here, and that's why you never want to be left out, because you just don't know when it's going to jump huge or when it's going to drop huge. But remember, I'm not a financial advisor. It's not financial advice. But overall, Shiba Inu, I really do feel like in the long term, Shiba Inu is going to be doing really good, because we do have the Shiba swap that's coming out. You have to remember this. They are coming out with the Shiba swap. Look at this picture here. This is a little preview of what Shiba swap will look like. And they say Shiba swap is almost done. So yeah, swap your tokens. They have this showing swapping Shiba to leash. So yeah, it's pretty cool that Shiba and leash are both going to be on this Shiba swap. We're gonna have this. We're gonna have bone. We're gonna have all this stuff on Shiba swap. So we're actually getting this soon. We don't know when they're gonna drop it, but they may drop it soon or they may not. It just depends on how they're feeling at the moment, I guess. But as you can see, people are just kind of going with the flow, with the means. Spending $20 at the grocery store and spending $2,000 on crypto, just like they're throwing it out the window like that. But yeah, as you can see, we are doing big things. It's going up, it's going down, it's going up, and it's going down. That's all we really know, is that we're probably going to continue to go down in the short term, honestly, like how we got all the way down here to 0.000006. So that is actually a really low point right there, and it kind of looks like that is our support. So we could actually drop right back down there, and we most likely will, but in due time. It will probably do it over time, in like a day or two, get right back down to those levels there. And if we continue to go down, I mean, I don't believe it will go down too low, because as you can see, we have the community pushing hard for Shiba. Like, everyone's always posting Shiba stuff on here. Everyone's always pushing so hard for Shiba. So there's so many people that are putting money through Shiba that I don't see Shiba going too low, but it's definitely a factor that it could continue to go low to 0.000006. And if it goes that low, that is really low. So we came all the way down here though, as you can see, looking from just previously over here at May 6th. Like, you can see we were below there, 0.000001, and then that's when we went up. We just started to go crazy, and I honestly hope we don't go back down to those levels, because that was a low market cap. As you can see there, 344 million, all the way down there at 32 million. And then you go all the way up here and see what we're at now, 4.4 billion. I don't know. It's hard to see that more market cap falling out of it. But like I said, anything can happen. I'm not a financial advisor. It's not financial advice. At this point, if you need the money immediately, I would say take it out and then do whatever you're going to do with it. But if you're a long-term holder, if you are with the Shiba Army long-term, like I am, I'm just going to hold it until it goes up to the moon, until it goes crazy. And I'm going to continue to buy more. And that's what I'm going to keep doing with all of these cryptos, really. So this is just my plan here, and I will do a video soon just on, I guess, what I'm holding and what I'm going to continue to buy, because I am buying a lot of stocks now. So I'm going to do a video on that, because I do believe stocks are going to go up. That's where all this market cap is really going. It's because the institutional investors, they want their money to go to something sound, and something that they know, and they know stocks. So that's where it's going to go. But yeah, this is just a little update on what we are doing here at Shiba. And honestly, technicals wouldn't work for right now, because we're just in such a bearish territory that the only technical I could give is we're going down. That's probably the only technical I can give right here, the best technical. But if we are going to look at it in the temporary short term, we've had so much growth here, and we're starting to get engulfed by more red candlesticks. So we are going to continue to come down here, probably going to go down on this one a little bit, and then build another green candlestick, and then go up a little bit, kind of do a fake out, and then it'll be like a W pattern right before it goes down huge. But this is just kind of how it moves out here in Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu is like a community driven thing, so the more people talk about it, the more people put in on it, the higher it goes. So honestly, we could pump the price artificially. We could do this, but it wouldn't be the best thing to do, because the second it gets to the top, to the peak, and then everyone starts to sell out, then it wouldn't look too good, because then people would lose money and no one would want to get back into it. So I wouldn't say to pump it artificially. I would just say hold whatever you have, buy the dip if you have money to buy the dip. If not, hold it or sell it if you need it immediately. But yeah, you don't want to get messed up here. But look at this opportunity to fill your bags with more SHIB as the Shiba swap launch date nears. So yeah, this is out there, I guess, I don't know where that is. It looks like it's probably out in China or something. So yeah, Shiba swap is coming out, and this is about to be really big right here. So I would not want to miss this whole Shiba swap release, like a whole exchange coming out. This is huge. Just like when crypto.com came out, big things happened there. And I'm pretty sure if any other crypto made an exchange, they would do pretty good with it as well. Just like Binance Coin, they did that. They did really well with that. As you can see, Binance Coin is number 3. So we could possibly see Shiba swap getting up here to like number 4, number 5, something, because Shiba swap has so much potential. We're gonna have Shiba on it, we're gonna have Leash on it, we're gonna have Bone, and then we're gonna have all the other cryptos that Shiba swap will allow you to buy. And it might have Doge, I don't know. They do have a little beef with Doge, so I don't know if they'll put Doge on there. But I am diamond hands right now. Everybody else is, I don't know where you are. You can be paper hands if you want, but I'm gonna be diamond hands, because we can hodl here. As you can see, all these little memes here. But yeah, all in all, I'm with the diamond hands community. I'm gonna continue to hold. And just like Elon Musk said, even Twitter or Tesla, Elon Musk even said diamond hands. So he actually said that he's diamond hands. Tesla is diamond hands. So I guess that's a little little bit of tweeting there, a little bit of poking fun there, because he kind of did make Bitcoin go down in the first place. He made it go down a little bit, but he didn't do much. He didn't do like what the market just now did. Like, all this crash was not because of Elon Musk. Like, at first it started like that, but then it ended up being something more, and then more, and then more. And it's more of the institutional investors. Maybe they just hopped out because they're mad at Elon Musk for doing that, so they just hopped out of all cryptos. And maybe that's what he wanted. Maybe he wanted individual investors to have more of a piece of the pie, so the people who actually buy and hold will really be the ones that win in the long term. And that's just my point of view on it. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. But yeah, if you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe, and check out the link in the description for free stock with Robinhood and Webull. And as always, I'll be back with another video. Peace.